Last and final call to our guests. We would like to invite you to our crocodile campaign for your crocodile dancing show that will start right now. Here in our crocodile park in Zoo, we have two different species of crocodiles. First is the common saltwater crocodiles or the Crocodylus porosus. The second is the Philippine freshwater crocodiles or the Crocodylus mendorensis. Did you know the crocodiles have organs?
Malapit na makain.
First, what do you usually do? A second, behind walk, usually what the can use. Third, the galloping, which is their fastest means of locomotion. And lastly,
ito nga yung gumagalaw, akala mo dito tao.
Their crocodile dancing. As what we can see from crocodiles
dancing.
they are using their powerful
Oh, they dance! Nagda-dance talaga!
Nakakuha na yung isa. Yun na gumagalaw-galaw.
Nagda-dance.
Yung isa talaga
They
gumagalaw.
actually do this in the wild to catch their prey, such as bats and birds.
Ngayon na malapit yung isa.
Ay, gumagalaw talaga.
Crocodiles swallow rocks and stones.
Yun ang iba. Madami yung gano'n.
Ay, ano siya, gulang-gulang.
Here go.
Meron pa na iwan.
Crocodiles don't shoot their food. They swallow their food whole or they cut it into multiple pieces. And that is our crocodile dancing.